All right, so I looked all over YouTube trying to find a tutorial on how to change the power liftgate struts on a 2022 Subaru Outback. And let me tell you, that video does not exist. There's pre-2020 and there's Foresters and Crosstreks, but there's not a Subaru Outback. So I thought, hey, I've got to do this. I might as well share with you how I did it. Now, I've already completed the job, but I did take some video and I will show you exactly what you need to do. The first thing you need to do is remove this panel right here. Now, you don't have to take it all the way off. You've got a clip right here, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, and a clip. You can leave this clip and possibly this Christmas tree engaged. You are gonna have to remove these. The next thing you need to do is take the headliner and pull the headliner down, and you're gonna notice that there's a few Christmas trees and clips up in there as well. I would suggest removing them easily. Very, very easily. Get in there with a large flat-headed screwdriver and you should be fine. Now, once you get back there, you're gonna notice that there's a lot of electrical connections, and I had to dig around to check different ones to find the one that actually went to the power lift gate. And I found that one buried way back in the back corner of the headliner once the headliner was opened up. So the first thing you wanna do is disconnect that clip. Then, before you go any further, you want to brace the back of your Subaru hatchback wide open as it'll go, with a 2x4 or something else, because the minute you remove a strut, either side, the liftgate is going to fall. Now that this is disconnected and your liftgate is braced up, what you want to do is you want to pull out this weather stripping right here and remove the wire. You're gonna be able to pull the plug all the way through. There's a good sized hole back there in the back. You'll pull this all the way through until this is free. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to loosen these 10mm bolts. Now, the back ones you can do with a ratchet. It's easy to get in there with a socket. Up on the front, I tried with a socket, but getting past this was too hard. You can tell they're boogered up a little bit. Use a 10mm boxed end wrench or a closed end wrench, but a 10mm wrench will do it for you. And it's also a 10mm socket. Go ahead and take this one out completely after you've loosened this one up. And what you want to do is remove this entire bracket and everything. And then you're going to remove the strut from the bracket. Now, this is the new strut, and you're going to notice that this one has got a cage. Okay. The OEM one, it actually has a clip, and I will show you how to remove that clip here. It's easy, you just pry it off with a screwdriver. Save the clip, because you don't know, well, I guess you'll know based on the struts that you buy. I bought these off of the replacements off of Amazon, but based on the struts that you buy, you may or may not need to reuse that clip. I did not, because my struts were caged. After I removed the clip, I actually pressed the ball that's on this part directly onto the strut and then repeated it down in the bottom. Now, once you've got that done, what you want to do is you want to screw everything back together. And the best way to do it is put this one in first, torque it all the way down after you've run your wire through there. And then you want to bring this one up and get these started so that they start evenly, and then torque those down. Once this thing is affixed, you're good to go. You can actually plug this back in. However, I would not recommend plugging this back in until you've checked to make sure everything is good. Remove the 2x4, make sure that your gate stays open. If it does, you're in great shape. Now, you can replace both of them. I bought a pair, but if your lift gate's not opening, chances are it's the powered side that's dead. Again, I did buy a pair. I'll leave the link below. I got mine on Amazon, and they do fit the 2022 Subaru Outback. Once you've done all of that and you've removed the board, you can go ahead and plug your clip back in, tuck it back to the back, and then press all of your Christmas trees back into place. Put this strip back on, and then you can give it a shot. And now it works. So there you go, there you have it. That is how to replace the struts on a 2022 Subaru Outback.